Yes, I'm Ashish Shah. This today is a transformation. Public speaking is an art. Ashish Shah, Master Blaster Transformation. Coach Blueprint, MBTCB. Today is 901E, means in English. कौन कहता है आकाश में सुराग नहीं हो सकता? तबीयत से एक पत्थर तो उठाए और उड़ा के तो देखो यारो. Yes, dreams don't work unless you do. This is introduction of today's first lecture on the public speaking. If all my possessions were taken from me with one exemption, I would choose to keep the power of speech, or by it I would soon regain all the best. It is by Daniel Pefter. People say words from the mouth and arrow from the bow of the Lord Ram never return. Once your word leave your lips, they are out of your control. Words can do or undo, can harm or heal, cause war or peace, create bloodshed or unity. In the word of Lord Bricket, we are living in what is now called the welfare state, and one of the necessary features of the state is that councils, committee, boards and institutions of the like kind. The duty of public speaking is now cast upon large number of people than ever before. Second, there is always a premium, a higher value on public speaking because people want to hear more and always. An effective speaker is listened to and his message gets registered in the minds of the listener. Public speaking is the leadership skill which is an essential tool for a leader to succeed. This tool is 100-year old. It is already in use by most people. Hope you will also put in this good use. This is part 1. You can see why public speaking is in art and it is learnable, easy way. I remember one story of the Shashya village. One person named the Tami lived at the end of the village, nearby river. He gets up early in the morning, drink 3 glasses of the water, do yoga and exercise. After that, he goes in village for begging. People give him tea, coffee, milk and breakfast, sprouts and fruits also, and bhakri. He eat regularly like king breakfast. He come back and do morning activities and take bath. He read different newspapers every day. At the lunchtime, he goes in the village for the begging. Same people give him dal, roti, jugglery, different sabjis, curd or buttermilk. He come back, eat all thing in with water. He take rest on swing at the titan with branches of tree. He sleep every day up to 6 p.m. He get up and go for the tea snacks and he enjoy. He take rest up to 9 p.m. He go for the dinner as begging. He achieve so many things at the night. He eat and remaining he give to squirrels, birds and dogs. He sleep every day 10 p.m. One person like you come at that village. You told him that Tummy, I will give you rupees 40,000, 45,000 without interest and I will explain how to do business. First you establish soap at the end of the village. After some years, please give me back rupees 45,000 and as profit you can buy another shop and residence bungalow. Due to all, you will get married. After that, you will become papa. And after some year, you have a farmhouse and also you become grandfather. And you become a Seth, Tamji Bhai. In farmhouse, you have mango tree and you will see your grandsons kidding and all thing, granddaughters kidding, play, and you are on swing with lemon juice and having cold coffee. Friends, Tammy had given answer, first class answer. What am I do now? Friends, you want to decide. You want to become a Tammy or Tamjibai said. That's depend upon you because change yourself. If you want to change the continue. Change yourself. Change begins with me. Thank you for today.